Welcome. Today we are going to talk about the latest news from yesterday's update in CS2 that reads that it's last chance to pick up the gallery case, graphic collections and character craft stickers from the Armory, which means that there will be changes in Armory coming very soon. I would expect a few weeks at the max. And what this did is obviously it increased the prices of all of these items instantly. When, for example, we look at the sticker collection, we can see that all the prices doubled or even tripled in price. These been around 30 cents, the flexes, these been around 40 euros, the googly eyes, the most pricey ones. The taste buddies were around 4 euros, so everything doubled or even tripled in price really quickly. Even the lower tier stickers like the clown nose went up really quickly. It was due to hype and people mass buying, panic buying into these. Same happens with the gallery case, which price almost doubles in price from around 80 cents to 150, peaking at 150, now at 140. And the same happened to the graphic collection as well, which I don't have open here. It's a lot skins, and I'm not really familiar with the prices before, but I know that the up there, which is the red one, increased in around 300 euros in just a few hours. Interesting for me is that it's not just this collection, the Charactercraft stickers, that increased, but also following this announcement, Elemental Craft stickers went up as well. As we can see, for example, when we take a look at this Ruby Wave, it went from around 12 to 17, now 16 euros, which is like quite a rapid increase. I expect these to fall down. People are now buying them more because we know that they are going to get, like now we know for certain that they are going to get removed eventually, even though it might take another 6 months from now. So the prices like boom up now because of the hype. I expect them to fall down, and then I'll invest into these even more. Which I'm surprised by is that this increased, but for example, the fever case stayed at the same price it was. No movement at all, even though like there's a lot of these. They've been opened a lot, they've been claimed a lot, and they are like super liked by the community. So once these get removed, their prices will go up, even though there is a huge stock for them and people will be probably claiming them even more now. What I'm looking forward is what will be next in the armory. We know that three things are leaving. What's coming? Interestingly enough, they removed one of everything, but not the charms. The charms stayed for now, so they might be leaving maybe in the next cycle, in the next 6 months, because we see that there are like bigger challenges every 6 months. If Wolf stays on par with this, the next one should be the missing link charms. And they also took down the graphic collection, which was the least profitable one. Like everyone wanted sports and fields, and everyone wanted overpass. No one was really interested in graphic collections. The skins were not so good. Not many people like this op that much. The like standout skin look wise was the Deagle probably. But even that wasn't that hype, so it has the least openings, probably the least profit for Valve, that's why they removed it. Same with the stickers, I think the elemental crafts were open a bit more than the character crafts, even though the discrepancy is not as big as in the collections. But we now know what they target. The question is, will there be other changes in the game as well? Maybe will some cases get rotated? There are some people speculating that the gallery case might move over to active or rare drops and not fully deleted. We don't know if they will treat this like an operation or not. That will be interesting to watch for sure. But yeah, for now there is a hype, there is a boom. If you want, you can even sell some of these because they will go probably lower in price as everybody starts selling them, and then they will be slowly increasing. So if you want some short-term games, it's not a bad idea to sell some of these in their peaks. But I wouldn't buy into this now unless you get some really good deals, because it's overhyped, overpriced. And I would be waiting for the Elemental Craft and the Fever Case especially, as well as maybe the Sports and Field collection, once the prices go back down again in the Elemental Craft and the Fever Case is already there or still there. I'm planning to invest into these because we know that they are going to get removed as well. It might take a year for these. They might next rotate the charms instead of the stickers. But one collections will be going, maybe the case will go as well in the next 6 months. We'll see. But we now know it will eventually get removed. So in long term, this will be really, really good investment. That's everything for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.